Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today, as you see in the title, we're going to be going into Chat GPT, and we're just going to be creating a prompt that will help us to find some very nice Valentine's Day t-shirt sayings that is going to help make some money for Valentine's Day. We all know Valentine's Day is next Friday, so the best time to start selling your designs, your t-shirts, your tumblers, whatever it is that you're going to be making is now. So if you have ChatGPT, you can go ahead and follow along with me. If you do not have ChatGPT, then make sure you go and go online and get ChatGPT. All you have to do is go up on the chatgpt.com. Now you do have a free version, which the free version, I think you can only create maybe like 5 prompts, something like that. It may not be that many, but they also have the paid version also. And I have the paid version, and I highly recommend the paid version because here in ChatGPT, I mean, you can really, really, really create some amazing prompts. Some amazing designs. You can do a lot of things, especially for your business. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go into ChatGPT, and let's go ahead and see what kind of sayings or designs that it's going to give us for Valentine's Day. So as you see right here, I'm going to go up under where it says, what can I help you with? And it says message Chat GPT. Now we're going to just think of something, like I always say, we're our unique selves. So let's go up under here and just think of something creative. Let's see. Hey, I like to say, hey Chat GPT, would you create me um create me, let's say, 3 viral um let's say viral eye-catching trendy Valentine's Day, I spell Valentine, okay, Valentine's Day sayings that will make a lot of money for Valentine's Day. Okay, now let's go up under here. Go ahead. You can press this arrow over here that's on the right hand side, or you can press your return or enter button on your computer, on your keyboard for your computer. So we just hit return, and as you see, the prompt that I use, I just say, "Hey ChatGPT, would you create me 3 viral eye-catching trendy Valentine's Day sayings that will make a lot of money for Valentine's Day?" So let's see what ChatGPT gave me. So as you see right here, it says, of course, here are 3 viral eye-catching and trendy Valentine's Day sayings that will help you make a lot of money with your designs. All right, so let's see what number 1 is. Number 1 says, you and me. And it says, a love story worth millions. Y'all, that's a very nice one there. It says, perfect for t-shirts, tumblers, greeting cards, or digital downloads. The millions themes make it fun, romantic, and aspirational. Okay, so let's go to number 2, and it says, love is custom made, just like this gift. Now, I like that one. I think I'm going to use that one. It says, ideal for personalized items like sublimation tumblers. That's what I make here. Custom shirts. I made that also. And engraved keepsakes. I make that. It plays on your niche of creating unique, thoughtful gifts. So yeah, y'all, you know what? Number 2 is one that I'm going to be doing. I am going to make that. All right, so let's go to number 3. Number 3 says, Black love forever and always. A powerful, trendy affirmation for couples, fitting your Black love journal and affirmation templates. Works well on apparel, journals, and wall art. Wow, y'all, that's nice. So let's see. It says, pro tip, use trendy fonts, bold colors, and mock-ups that match your 2024 Valentine's Day aesthetic trends. So it says 2024. Maybe I should have put 2024, 2025 in here, but 2024, okay, that is still, I still like the sayings that it gave. It said it trends pink and red gradients, modern handwritten fonts, or neon signs. Which one do you love the most? Need me to twerk them? Okay, So it's already asking, do we need it to twerk them? So let's put in tweak number one. So we're gonna say tweak number one. And let's see what it says because it's asking. So it said tweak number one. It says, okay, it says, here's a tweaked version of number one with even more viral appeal and money-making potential. It says, you and me, a love story worth more than gold. Okay, so what did number one say at the top? It says, you and me, a love story worth millions. Okay, so it says worth more than gold this time. And it says, why this works. Gold makes it sound luxurious and valuable, which people love for Valentine's gifts. It has a romantic wealth mindset that appeals to couples who love to spoil each other. Perfect for t-shirts, tumblers, greeting cards, wall art, and digital prints. Want any other tweaks, or do you love this one? Okay, so we're going to leave it there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back up and I'm going to type in the same thing that you see right here, except I'm going to put 2025. So you can either highlight it, just like that, the prompt that you put in, whatever prompt you decide to do. I did this one. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to copy it. So I'm just going to press copy. Now I'm going to come down to the other part of Chatgpt, which you may or may not can see. And I'm just going to click on paste. So what I'm going to do now, let me see. I'm going to say, hey, ChatGPT, would you create me 3 viral, eye-catching, trendy Valentine's Day sayings that will make a lot of money for Valentine's Day in 2025? So let's see if it's going to give us anything different. And I'm going to press return. All right, so as you see, that's the one that I put in right there. You can see it now. Okay, and it says, of course, here are 3 viral, eye-catching, and trendy Valentine's Day sayings for 2025. So depending on the year, you may want to put the year in there. That would help make you a lot of money with your designs. So number one, it says, you, me, and love. Limited edition since day one. Now that's a good one, y'all. Perfect for couples who see their love as rare, exclusive, and unbreakable. Great for t-shirts, tumblers, hoodies, and even digital prints. You know what? I think I may make me and my husband one of those shirts. Because me and my husband been together for a long time. So that's a good one. All right. So let me see. Number 2, it says, our love speaks fluent luxury. Now that's a good one too, y'all. It says a high-end, classy saying that taps into the luxury aesthetic. Perfect for apparel, mugs, and journals. It will attract couples who love to spoil each other. So number 3, it says manifest and love, money, and forever with you. That's a cute one also. We all know that manifesting is a great thing to do. It said taps into the manifestation trend, making it popular for affirmation journals, planners, shirts, and digital downloads, which, y'all, digital downloads is the way to go, okay? It merges love with success, which is a 2025 vibe. Bonus tip. So it's giving us a bonus tip. That's another thing I like about ChatGPT. It will give you bonus tips. It will give you tips. It will give you all those things, okay? And it says use trendy 2025 design elements like chrome text, soft pink gradients, 3D bubble letters, or handwritten fonts to match the modern Valentine's Day aesthetics. Which one do you love most? Want me to tweak anything? So let's see what we wanted to tweak. We're going to do... let me see. What did we do last time? We did number 1. So let's tweak number 3. So we're going to say, which one do you love? Okay, so we're going to say tweak number 3. And let's see what it's going to give us, okay? All right, so you see right here, I put in tweak number 3, and it says, here's a tweak version of number 3 to make it even more viral and profitable for 2025. Remember, we are finding viral, trendy sayings or designs for t-shirts for Valentine's Day for this year, 2025. And also, these will be excellent, as you see, for tumblers also. And it says, manifest in love, wealth, and forever with you. Okay, so we tweaked number 3, and number 3 here says, manifest in love, money, and forever with you. And we tweaked it, and it says, manifest in love, wealth, and forever with you. So it just changed money to wealth. And it said, why this works, wealth sounds bigger and more powerful than just money, making it feel luxurious. Keeps the manifestation trend strong, which is huge for 2025. Okay, words for apparel, journals, mugs, wall art, digital downloads. People love affirmations. Yes, I love affirmations also. On their daily items. Let me know if you want more tweaks. Okay, so what y'all want to do? Y'all want to do one more? Let's try, let's see. We're just going to go ahead and type in, let's type in viral t-shirt designs for Valentine's Day 2025 that will make tons of money. On my, I'm just gonna say online store, or in my online store. Let's say in my online store. Okay, so as you see, I put in viral t-shirt designs for Valentine's Day 2025 that will make tons of money in my online store. So here it goes. It says, here are 5 viral and money-making Valentine's Day 2025 t-shirt design ideas that will sell like crazy in your online store. Okay, so this is one that we just saw at the top. And number 1 again, it says manifest in love, wealth, and forever with you. And then it tells you why it will sell great. Taps into the manifestation luxury trend, best design style, and then it tells you who your target audience should be. Okay, works for matching couple shirts, journals, and digital prints. Okay, so number 2, it says love me like my business love deposits. Y'all, that's a good one. That's a good one there. Okay, I think I'm going to be using that one too. It says why it will sell. For the entrepreneur CEO couple trend, best design style is bold capital letters with pink and red gradient or bling rhinestone effect. Y'all know I love my bling and my rhinestone. So that's one right there that I'm going to have to put on my shirt. Okay, target audience, women in business, girl bosses, and couples who hustle together. And you can pair this with hustle mugs, planners, and tote bags. All right, so let's see what number 3 says. Your love equal my favorite safe space. Why it will sell appeals to the emotional and soft love aesthetic. Best design style. Target audience, a couple who love emotional intimacy and deep connections. Perfect for hoodies and crew necks. Number 4, black love built to last. Y'all, I like that one also. Taps into the black love movement with aligns with your niche. Best design style, bold, vintage. Target audience, it tells you who the target audience should be. Couples who take pride in strong black relationships and culture. Works great on matching shirts, hoodies, and mugs. And number 5, single taken building my empire. So these are for the single people out there. It says why it will sell is trendy, fun, and great for singles who are focused on success. Best design style, a playful checklist design. Building my empire. Then it tells you your target audience. Compare well with self-love planners, stickers, and mugs. Then it says pro tip, offer matching couple sets and bundle deals. Okay, you can do shirts, tumblers, or hoodies and journal to increase your sales. Do you want me to do a mock-up of any of the designs or refine them for them? So Chatgpt will also do mock-ups for you and all of that. Okay, so y'all, I just wanted to show you some of the viral sayings and some of the viral designs that you can make for t-shirts coming up for Valentine's Day. Because y'all, we got to make this money, right? Like I said, Valentine's Day is coming up. Valentine's Day is coming up next Friday. So go ahead and get those t-shirts and tumblers out. And another thing I want to just tell you about is I have affirmation, a 30-day affirmations just for women. So make sure you go over to my digital product store. The link will be in the description box, and go and grab your affirmation, 30-day affirmations today. All right. So I thank you all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. You know what? Tell me which one of these sayings are your favorite. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.